Oh my God. Bitch, I run the game. Y'all just come and take my side.
Guys, so it's New Year's Eve morning-ish, 12:30 in the afternoon, basically. So, plan is Casey's right here. We're gonna go work on the miata. We're planning on putting the interior back together and trying to get it. Hopefully, it's not leaking anymore. We put some put some head gasket repair stuff in it, and pretty much we're hoping that the rest of the gang can come by for the New Year's. Guess we'll find out, and you'll be joining us today. Wait about 3 seconds before you start talking.
We're going. Me and Jesse, we're in Subi, going over to the Subway over there to get some Subway. As we just woke up, it's 1:03.
And we're getting that delicious sub of the day, which I'm pretty sure it's the Black Forest ham today.
This is staring ass.
That guy is?
Yeah.
Well, screw them. We're vlogging.
Yeah. But we're gonna do some Miata stuff today and stay up hell late because
New Year's
2017 and
it's gonna be lit.
And I'm gonna be 19 in 5 days, which should be pretty cool. Not really. Nothing's gonna change.
Nothing. Just a year older.
Yeah.
Now we're at that Subway now.
We ain't going there. We don't go there. We're going over there.
We're going to Subway today. Guess we'll find out if we can record in there.
I'll do a walk around of the Subi. Subaru. That's fucking dirty as hell.
Yeah, we just walked this too.
Wow.
It's kind of a snow rain mix right now.
Yeah, it's raining. There ain't no one in there. I don't think. Dude, look at this. It's raining, bro. It's snowing. I use the sub of the day, right there. What's today? Saturday, Black Forest. Yeah, that one right there, fam.
Sub of the day, 6-inch. Actually, 2 of them. One on Italian urban cheese and the other on
Italian. Yeah.
Hey. Okay. Hey guys, so we just got our sub of the days and two chocolate milks. And now we're on our way back to Casey's. Man, it's really starting to snow. It's coming down. Oh gosh, it's cold.
Come on, Jack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crack this chocolate moo right here.
Chocolate moo.
Somehow with my hand holding a GoPro. Oh my God! Why would you do this to me?
They like fuck you over, don't they? Can't have that on. Fucking YouTube. And how's that Subway chocolate?
That's pretty decent.
Now hold the sandwiches. And we're on our way.
Seat belts so we can be safe.
When we do hoon shit.
Jesse, you freaking, last time you did that, you almost burnt up your clutch.
Well, no, technically that was the second to last time, because the last time I actually did it, I just didn't have enough gas to it. realizing Subaru, gotta turn off traction control if you're gonna do a hard launch, or it's just gonna bog your fucking engine like no other.
Miata doesn't bog no more.
True, Miata don't bog anymore. Damn caps.
Yeah, my catalytic converter was clogged, so I ripped it off.
And I welded up a new test pipe for it. That
doesn't fit. It sounds like it's got a massive V8 in it.
Oops. Well, we have plenty of...
This dude's gonna dub clutch and go ta-ta-ta-ta.
Infinity.
That's like Lauren's car.
That's like my brother's that he's trying to sell. That's the funny part.
Tell him I'll buy it. I'll trade him my Miata for it. I'm just kidding. I love my Miata.
His car's worth 10 grand. Your car's not even worth that.
I love my Miata though.
Yeah. Hey, when we get into the driveway, show them the scratch marks from our test pipe.
Yeah.
If they're still there.
Yeah. If they are, it might have gotten washed away. Because it's Washington.
Yeah.
That was retarded.
Just like you.
Okay, look who's talking. Let's see. I don't know if I see it.
I see a little scraper.
Oh yeah, there it is. Right there. Right in the middle of the
Right
driveway.
there. Right there, guys.
That's from my Miata.
Scraping.
Little drainage ditch. Yep, some more scrapage.
Right there.
Furred.
Now to go enjoy these sandwiches. So guys, we're in the garage. We're cleaning the... Holy snowtastic. Well, that's one way to start this back up. So besides it snowing like that, we're cleaning out the Miata. We took the seats out. One side's done. We're starting on the other side. Yeah, pretty much it. Oh, and
It's supposed to snow all day, by the way.
yeah, what a New Year's. Oh, and we had to get a new negative, so we got a quick release for it. But previous owner hack jobbed it together. It was really bad. Hey guys, so the update with the Miata. It's leaking like no other out the back of the engine. We're going to be looking at it, seeing what is leaking, but it's leaking quite good. So yeah, that's the update. We're planning on doing a...
Where did you say it was coming from?
look up by the oil pan.
What's that right there? What is that? That big blob right in front of you?
Oh yeah, don't worry about that. But we're just going to be looking at it, trying to get it. Maybe we can get it good before the New Year's, because it's 5:50 where we're at. We plan on revving this thing at 12:01
And lighting fireworks.
and fireworks. Hey guys, so we're getting the Miata running, and we had a little mishap.
Are these belts the same size?
We retimed the Miata, and we forgot a wrench on the pulley, and we ran it. Needless to say, it loosened the bolt.
Vince is lucky.
Yeah, Vince
Needless to say, Vince is lucky.
Vince is lucky, but this wrench right here was left on, and the car was running.
I would have cried real bad, and then I'd probably make Vince get me a new motor.
Yeah, but, well, then that would be bye-bye the E46 for now.
For a little bit.
For a little bit. But,
What size is for the power steering pump?
It's like a 12.
So
Did you use a wrench or did you use a ratchet?
so the only damage, not really damage, was the belts flew off and the pulley came off.
And we shit our pants.
And we shit our pants. For a second, we all thought rod knock until we were looking and Casey seen the belts fly off and started pulling spark plugs. And I'm like, what the fuck? So,
You pretty much just loosened everything when you did this, Casey?
so, hey, we're getting close to that fire up. We're gonna fire it up again. Make sure it runs. Make sure everything before we fire it up for the hoons at 12:01. Neighbors gonna hate us, but they already hate us. So guys, at the end of the video that I'm actually editing right now. So at the end of this video, we did get the Miata running. We didn't get it running at the time we said we were, but we did get it fixed. It ran, and then just didn't record then and forgot to record a couple days ago, which was a couple days after we did this, which was New Year's. This was Monday. Me and Casey went and fixed the exhaust. We had a bit of exhaust laying around, so we took that and made it work. Made a new exhaust system, so it's not so it doesn't have exhaust leak. It's pretty much straight piped. I made a custom test pipe for it, and then I had to go and bend it. Took the end part where the O2 sensor was cut it off, cut the rest of the exhaust off after the O2 sensor, so we had that, and then straight piped it all the way back. We still need to weld the muffler on, but just didn't do that. And we're pretty sure we're going to be getting a exhaust for it, so we just put this together so we can run it and drive it, so Casey can't, so there's no exhaust leak. So that's basically it. Run it, drive it, wait for the new exhaust, because we have to put a roll cage, fire extinguisher, and put this exhaust system on. I was reading up on the rules for Evergreen's drift rules, so yeah. Casey also has to save up enough money so we can be able to buy extra differentials, so when we weld the diff we have extra ones just in case we blow the rear end with the welded diff. And not to mention, we're probably going to have to save up to do the car trailer, but the car trailer is not really that important. If anything, we'll just take 2 cars to the events, my car and his car, and then we'll just have mine with all the tools and the jack and everything. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future episodes, because there should be, I don't know what the next project is. It should be the E46, or it could be us drifting the car doing hoon stuff. Who knows? But stay tuned, and see you guys next time.